Today I'm going to um, show you that how to make a beautiful teddy bear on a pencil. So for this activity we will need a red color clay, brown color clay, this type of color. If you don't have this brown color, you can mix a little bit of red clay, then orange, then yellow, and a little bit of green clay. So now let's start. Now we will divide this clay into four parts. Now I have divided this into five parts, not four parts. This part will be the teddy bear's body. This part will be its head. This small clay will be for its ears, and this clay will be for hands, and this one will be for legs. And this little red dough of clay we will use for making the belt of the teddy bear. Now we will attach this clay in the pencil. Now for its head we will attach this clay in top over the body. Now after doing this we have to flat this surface like this it will look. And now what we will do is we will take this very small dough to make its ear. Now I have divided this little clay into two different parts, and one part should be longer than the other one. Now I had made this ear, and now what I will do is I will take a pen. Can you see? I will take a pen and then I'll make hole in it like this. Like this we will do to make a 3D effect of the ear. Now from this two doughs of the clay, from each dough I will take two different shapes. Two different dough. From one dough I will take out. I have done this, and now from this two uh, clay I will make the hands, and the other two will be used for making the legs. Now I will just hold the clay here and I will make the hands. Now I had successfully completed making the body of the teddy bear, and now what I will do is I will now uh, take two doughs from this clay. This dough will be used for making the belt, and this dough I will use for making a beautiful hot toy. A very cutie belt has been tied on my beautiful little teddy bear, and now I will make a hot toy with this clay. Now how to make a heart? Now what we will do is we will just make a fold between these two parts, and now we'll do like this. And if I show you from the top, it will just look like a heart. And now I will attach this in between of the bear's hand. In this heart you can add stones, you can add false pearls, you can also add glitter. And now what I will do is I will just draw ears, and I will just draw eyes and a nose and a mouth with a marker, of course, because here if we do with a pen it will not last long. And by here our beautiful cutie teddy bear is completed. If you like teddy bear, please like my video